Every fall, fans across the United States fill stadiums and gather around their TVs to watch one of the nation's most popular sports, college football. Now, readers just discovering the game can get an inside look at some of the sport's most exciting programs in college football teams. Each title gives readers an inside look at a team's unique mascots, traditions, unforgettable victories, and standout players from past and present. Historic photos bring the team's early days to life, while full-color action shots capture today's stars and unforgettable moments. Informative sidebars share additional relevant information, and a Fast Facts page highlights key details about the team. Helpful features in each book includes a phonetic glossary, an introduction to the author, and a list of additional resources and a detailed index. Whether readers cheer for their hometown team or the reigning national champion, this series is sure to excite young college football fans. Discover college football teams from the child's world today.